had a question for you guys. Have you ever had a time where you have had shortness of breath, it's been hard to breathe, and you're trying to figure out exercises that you can do at home or even at the gym to help improve your breathing? Well, today me and Nicole are going to be showing you an exercise called an elevated all fours breathing exercise. It's going to help open up that rib cage. So this is an exercise you can do at home or at the gym. So Nicole is going to come around here and get into what we call a quadruped position, which is where her hands are going to be a little bit elevated. So this is the elevated portion of the exercises, and you're thinking anywhere from 6 inches to a foot, give or take, on what you have available. From here, she's going to be her knees stacked under her hips here, and she wants her arms right now are parallel to each other, and she's also going to actually slightly bring them out just a little bit. So move them out there, perfect. So you're talking a little bit outside of your shoulders. It's going to sit a little bit better there. From that position, she's in a perfect spine position here. She's going to take a breath in through her nose, and then when she exhales, she's going to tuck her rib cage down and back, and her head's going to go with her just a little bit. And now she has this rounded position. So her rib cage is tucked. From this position, she's going to focus on the breathing. Trying to breathe in as slow and long as she can in through the nose. So very long breaths, and what that's doing is opening up her rib cage here. Since her rib cage is tucked, when she breathes in, she can't extend her ribs up, so she has to work on better rib cage expansion, and this is where we're going to really work on it, the inhalation portion. So she's thinking in through the nose as much air as she can, trying to get the air back to the backside of her upper back. She's going to start to feel it on the sides as well, and then she's just going to exhale. And she's going to think anywhere from 3 to 6 breaths here, and then she's going to slowly kind of get out of it and then relax. Now the key with this exercise is since we're working on breathing, when you transition from the beginning to the end of this, you want to slowly let your body shift away and then reset and go into it. You also want to think about taking anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds off in between sets, because you are working with respiration, so you don't want to get dizzy. So just think about when you're in this position here, you're just going to round and shift your hips back a little bit and then start your breathing. This is an exercise that you can do at home or at the gym to help work on that rib cage expansion so you're allowed to get more air in. Think about that. If you're able to expand your lungs a little bit more because you've opened up some mobility in the rib cage, there's an opportunity to get more oxygen in and then utilize it for daily tasks.